Welcome to the new era of SEO, where artificial intelligence is reshaping the way we create content. Now, the days of laboriously crafting each piece of content from scratch are fading fast. See, as tools like GPT-4 and other generative AI systems make it easier than ever to produce blog posts, articles, and other digital content. While AI significantly reduces the time from ideation to creation, a critical question arises. How do you ensure the content it generates is relevant, resonates with your brand's voice, and drives measurable SEO gains? In this article, we will explore how to harness the full potential of generative AI while maintaining high standards for SEO and brand consistency. By the end of this video, you will have a clear strategy for balancing the efficiency of AI with the human expertise required to guide and refine the outputs for maximum SEO output. So stick with us because understanding how to properly leverage AI could be the key to taking your content marketing strategy to the next level. See, the rise of AI in content creation. AI's impact on content creation has been nothing short of revolutionary. Platforms like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai have given marketeers the ability to generate articles, product descriptions, and even social media posts in mere minutes. However, while these tools excel at churning out large volumes of content quickly, they are not without their flaws. AI often struggles with nuances like brand voice, deeper keyword strategy, and complex subject matter. And if left unchecked, AI can even veer into creating low quality, low engaging content that won't resonate with your audience or rank on Google. Now, this is where human oversight becomes essential. The magic lies in combining AI's speed and efficiency with human expertise to guide content development, ensuring it meets both SEO standards and audience expectations. See, the first step in using AI effectively is to tap into its ability to generate content ideas quickly and at scale. AI can analyze search trends, competitive content, and user intent to suggest topics which are highly relevant and timely. With AI, you can generate a broad list of content ideas in minutes, saving hours of manual research. Now, the question arises how AI aids in content creation. Number one is keyword research. So AI tools like SEMrush and RFs have incorporated AI powered suggestions for keywords and topics based on search volume, competition, and user intent. AI scrapes vast amounts of data to help you identify content gaps that your competitors might not have noticed. Sorry. Number two is competitive analysis. So AI tools can analyze the top ranking content for your target keywords, identifying common patterns and gaps. So, by leveraging this data, you can create content that both addresses your audience needs and surpasses your competitors in quality and relevance. Number three is topic clustering. So, AI can help in structuring content by grouping related topics together. Now, this allows you to create content clusters, which are great for boosting SEO by organizing articles in a way that search engines easily understand. So, and Google rewards well structured content that covers a topic in depth. Now, once you've generated a list of potential topics, it is crucial to involve human expertise to ensure that these ideas align with your brand and content strategy. See, one of the biggest challenges when using generative AI for SEO content is ensuring that the output is both high quality and consistent with your brand's voice. So, AI is excellent at producing words, but it still requires human intervention to ensure the content is accurate, relevant, and engaging. And here is how to ensure AI generated content remains high quality. Number one is define brand guidelines for AI use. Clearly outline what your brand voice should sound like. Is it casual and friendly or formal and authoritative? Make sure this is inputted or conveyed when using AI tools. So, some AI platforms even allow you to train the model to understand your specific tone and style. Number two is refine AI outputs. So, once the AI generates a draft, it is crucial to go over the content and refine it. AI generated content might not always hit the mark with grammar, accuracy, or logical flow. So it is your job to ensure that the content not only sounds natural but also resonates with your audience. Number three is Number three is add depth and expertise. So AI can help lay the groundwork, but you should add real life examples, case studies, and insights that AI might miss. Now this deepens the content and makes it far more valuable to readers and search engines. AI can churn out the basics, but human expertise gives the content depth and authority. Number four is integrate SEO best practices. So AI might not always understand nuances like keyword placement, meta descriptions, or internal linking strategies. While AI can suggest some SEO friendly elements, you will need to ensure that these practices are correctly applied to maximize organic search performance. Now that you have generated high quality content, the next step is to optimize it for SEO. And this is where human intervention becomes particularly valuable. AI alone cannot deliver the SEO results you are looking for. But by guiding the AI's output through strategic optimizations, you can get the best out of both worlds. So let's look at number one, which is on page SEO. So make sure your AI generated content includes keywords naturally. AI can sometimes over optimize or under optimize, so it's up to you to ensure the right balance. Place your keywords strategically in headers, the body text, meta descriptions, and image alt text. Number two is LSI keywords. So, latent semantic indexing keywords are the terms related to your main keywords. So, AI can generate ideas around your primary keywords, but you will need to double check that LSI terms are also included. Now, this makes the content more contextually relevant to search engines. Number three is internal linking. So, generative AI might miss the mark on internal linking, an essential part of SEO. So, be sure to manually add relevant internal links to your website's other pages, which can boost your SEO by enhancing the user experience and improving crawlability. Number four is structured data. Now, depending on the type of content, AI can sometimes ignore the need for structured data or schema markup. Now, this markup helps search engines understand the type of content on your page and can enhance how it is displayed in search results. So, see, AI is not only useful for new content, but can also help in updating and refreshing older content, which is a key SEO strategy. So Google loves fresh content, but updating older content can be time consuming. By using AI, you can quickly identify which parts of your old content need refreshing and get suggestions on how to improve it. Let's look at the content gaps. So use AI to analyze older content and identify gaps where more up to date information can be added. Then comes keyword trends. AI can check if there are new keyword trends related to your old content and help you insert those keywords naturally into the text. Then you have SERP analysis. AI tools can analyze the current top ranking content for a particular keyword, suggesting ways you can update your existing content to match or exceed current SEO standards. Now let's look at some of the common pitfalls to avoid when using AI for SEO content. See, while SEO AI is a powerful tool, it is not without its limitations. Here are a few common pitfalls to avoid. Number one is over reliance on AI. So, AI generated content still needs human oversight. If you rely too heavily on AI without adding human insights or expertise, you risk producing bland, generic content that won't resonate with your audience or perform well in search engines. Number two is lack of originality. So AI tends to produce content which may sound formulaic or repetitive. So to stand out, you need to inject original insights, data, and analysis that only a human can provide. Then you have the problem of keyword stuffing. So AI tools may overuse keywords if not monitored closely, which can harm your SEO efforts. So always review the content and ensure a natural keyword distribution. See, if your AI generated content isn't quite hitting the mark, here I'm sharing a few troubleshooting steps. Number one is adjust prompts. So fine tune the input you give to the AI. The more specific your prompt, the better the output. Number two is use a hybrid model, which is combine AI with manual research and content creation to ensure a more balanced, high quality output. Number three is monitor performance. Use analytics to track how AI generated content is performing in terms of engagement, traffic, and SEO. Make adjustments as needed based on real world performance. See, AI can undoubtedly streamline the process of content creation, but the real magic happens when you combine AI with human expertise. By leveraging AI for content ideation, initial drafts, and trend analysis, you can save time and resources. However, refining that content, injecting it with real world examples, and optimizing it for SEO is where human oversights become critical. So, if you are ready to take your SEO content to the next level, embrace AI, but do not forget the importance of adding your unique human touch. Did you find these insights helpful? If so, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips or on leveraging AI in your digital marketing strategies. Stay tuned and do not miss our upcoming episodes where we will dive even deeper into the world of AI driven marketing. Thanks for watching.